I want an app with buttons that do stuff, so I'm going to make that happen here. I'm going to start off with a layout. I'm going to put some buttons on here. I don't want them just straight down the screen, so I'm doing a layout that's just got the 2 columns and 1 row for me to put my buttons into. So one button's going to go there, one button's going to go there alongside each other. They're going to do some color changing, so button 1, I'm going to make that say red. I'm also going to change its name. I'm going to call it BTN, which is a shortcut I always use for buttons, just to know what it is. BTN red. And this one is going to do blue, and I'm going to call it BTN blue, so there's no confusion about what it actually does. I'm also going to have a thing that does change color, so I'm going to put a canvas on here just underneath those. I'm going to call it canvas. I'm going to call it main. It's pretty obvious what it is in this case, but sometimes it's good to have a name that's meaningful. I just want it to fill the screen, so I'm just going to a fairly random number of pixels that I know for certain is going to go all the way from top to bottom and left to right. 400 by 600. That's way bigger than the screen I've got. So now I've got that, I need to get some action going on. So I'm going to go over here to blocks, which is a blank area at the moment. And over on the left there's all the control and logic stuff that we'll come to. But particularly what we want to do is change what happens when a button is clicked. So I'm going to go here and say when button red is clicked, do something. And in this case it's going to be do. And scrolling down here, one of the main parts of learning to use App Inventor is realizing what you've got available. I can set canvas main background color, and I'm going to set it to, let's say, red, as I'm on button red. I'm also going to do button blue, but rather than just go and find all that stuff again, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to say right click, duplicate, and then instead of button red, button blue, and instead of red here, choose a blue color. And that will actually do it, probably.